Magandang hapon po ng Monday, October 30, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Monday, October 30, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng October 30, 2023 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, October 30, 2023. Here are the tonight's jackpot price of Mega Lotto 645 is 89 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 jackpot price is 89 million pesos for Monday, October 30, 2023. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, October 30, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.